What's up, my lovely people, and also all my viewers out there. So I hope you all doing fine and doing well. So today's topic and today's product is going to be about the Bobo Jaw Grip mobile holder. This is what it is from Bobo. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick and show you what this includes. Okay, so firstly you have this nice good quality mobile holder. This is made of plastic, this is made of metal, I believe. You've got this knob that loosens, that opens these two walls that hold your mobiles together. This is a fast charger, by the way, and it also comes with a switch that is waterproof. You have this mount here that is you can rotate as per your need. You have a charging socket here, a USB charging socket. As you can see, this is model Jaw Grip BM1 serial number. You've got a long cable that you connect, and you can see this part here. This is what it's got a fuse inside that prevents your the wires from getting damaged. Okay, so next what you have here is a mirror mount. Okay, then you have two zip ties to tie the cords. You have an extra fuse in case the one that is in the cord gets spoiled. You can replace this with this. In this, what do you have? In this we have a 3M tape, an Allen key. You have two extra handlebar grips, and then you have this mount. This is made of metal, this is made of plastic. You open this to get this open and you fix it onto your handlebar. The reason why they've given these two different grips here is because, as you can see, let me show you. You can see one is, this is a little bigger, this is a little smaller. So depending on your motorcycle, if the handlebar is a little thinner, then you use this. If the handlebar is a little fatter, you use this. And at the same time, you can use additional rubber installs to strengthen the grip of these, the mount on your motorcycle. Now, I did purchase them from Off-Road Motorcycle and Coffee, and they are located in Kolkata. I'll leave the address in the description below. This costed me $17.99, and I've bought this because I've seen a lot of people use this product, and there's a lot of good reviews for this product, and therefore I've decided to go with it. So the next part of this video will be the installation process. I'm going to take the direct cut and connect this directly to my battery, as suggested by others, my fellow bikers as well, instead of having it on the ignition. And I'll show you the installation process on that. So thank you, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Okay, so he's fixed the Bobo mount, and now we'll be connecting it to the battery directly, and let's see how it goes. stick in the wire inside from the inside. And then you show me your phone. Yeah. I'm putting on the switch here. Charging.